Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by protecting yourself and the work area. Ventilation matters. Put on chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection, and remove the wheels and base to access paint edges. Once done, test a small hidden spot with a cotton swab soaked in your chosen solvent. This confirms adhesion and avoids damaging chrome or decals. If the test lifts paint cleanly, proceed. Make sure to keep rags and a plastic tray beneath the model to catch drips. Safety and containment save time later. You now apply solvent carefully, only where paint exists. A few drops suffice. Wait 5 to 10 seconds for the solvent to soften the paint, then agitate with a Q-tip or soft brass brush. This removes softened paint without gouging metal. Once areas come free, wipe with a clean cloth and repeat section by section, working in small batches to prevent solvent evaporation and sticky residue. If stubborn spots remain, reapply and let dwell longer rather than using excessive force, which risks scratching. You finish by neutralizing residual solvent with isopropyl alcohol, then dry the parts completely to prevent flash rust. Reassemble only when everything is dry. You can polish minor scratches with a metal polish and a microfiber cloth, or prepare a bare body for repainting if desired. If chrome or plating shows damage, stop immediately and switch to non-abrasive polishing, because continued solvent exposure makes restoration harder. If problems persist, consult a restoration specialist rather than risking permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.